Alisha. Welcome back to my channel. Desserts are always beloved by everyone, especially by children. I too love cakes, so I am going to tell you my cupcake recipe through my video. Let's get started. Things you need: melted butter, powdered sugar, maida, that is refined flour, a cup of milk, baking soda, baking powder, vanilla essence. First of all, pour the powdered sugar in the melted butter bowl. Mix it, then add all the ingredients like vanilla essence, baking soda, baking powder, and give it a good mix. You can add a spoon of milk into it for generating more foam. Mix it till it becomes smooth. The more you mix, the more fluffy cake you'll get. Keep on mixing, mixing and mixing. Before you start baking, you have to preheat the oven. If you want, you can add some nuts also, like I am adding cashew nuts. My cake is here. So yummy, tasty, fluffy. I hope you like my video. Then please subscribe, share and give thumbs up to my video. And thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.